Hi there. I'm Alexa, talking to you through an Echo. It's a smart speaker with premium sound and a built-in smart home hub. Check out this rich detailed sound with clear highs, dynamic mids, and deep bass. You can also use it to make voice calls and control compatible smart home devices, like lights and thermostats. I'm always ready to play your favorite song, artist, or genre. Just ask. Sensors to detect motion, temperature, and tap gestures, as well as voice control. You can create routines with compatible smart home devices. Turn on compatible lights when you walk into a room, or adjust the temperature on your thermostat. I can even tell you a joke. Just ask.